Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed in, updated, and ready. Now get into settings so we can stop achievement pop-ups. Navigate Guide, choose Profile and System, then Settings. Once done, select Preferences because that's where notification controls live. Make sure you choose the exact profile that shows the achievements, changes apply per account. You're starting with the essentials to avoid wasting time toggling the wrong options. From Preferences, we'll jump straight into Notifications and adjust what can appear over game. In Notifications, locate Xbox notifications and find achievement alerts. Toggle them off to stop the on-screen banner. You're doing this because achievements are treated like any other game notification, so turning them off keeps gameplay uninterrupted. Next, check for related toggles such as Game Clip and Broadcast if you want no overlays at all. If a game still shows messages, go into that game's settings or the Xbox app notification overrides. Make sure you clear any app-specific permissions so the change is enforced across the system. Now test by launching a game that normally triggers trophies. You should see no achievement banners. If you still see them, restart the console or sign out and sign back in to apply changes. Make sure system updates are installed and the profile's privacy settings aren't overriding notification preferences. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the cache by power cycling, hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds, wait, then restart. That flushes stuck settings and usually resolves persistent pop-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.